It's a master's degree from Politecnico di Torino and Reply, focused on the technologies that are changing the world.
It runs from January to December 2022. There are 12 months of lectures at Politecnico and practical training in Reply.
It's for the most talented student in computer engineering, computer science, automation engineering, cybersecurity, telecommunication engineering, or electronic engineering.
If selected, Reply will cover all your tuition and training fees, hire you from the start of the master, and pay you a monthly salary. So yes, you will earn while you learn.
You'll study theoretical principle with the professor of computer science of Politecnico, and then you will put into practice with Reply's expert.
The master is open up to 40 successful applicants. Will you be one of them?
Just 3 steps. Apply at master.reply.com. Pass the selection process and receive a job offer from Reply. Start your master at Politecnico di Torino.